Hello guys, welcome to How to Do It. Now I'll show you how to make navigation bar in HTML. I mean if you make any website or if you want to customize your website, then you need to make navigation. I mean menu bar. So I'll show you. Okay. So first you write the nav text or you can direct write ul li then anchor tag like hash home like about us, portfolio, blog, contact us. If you go to the zeroshop.com, then you will see the navigation bar. This is the menu. So I'll just show you how to make navigation bar. Okay, this is the my menu without CSS. Here's the raw navigation. But if you want to the stylish, then you can write the CSS code, write style tag, then ul, then li, then anchor tag. All right. Now display inline block, list style, none. Okay. Padding 5 pixel to 20 pixel. Color white. Background color. You can use any color. Then display block. Font size 16 pixel. And now we can see. Yeah, now looks much better. Now need to remove underline. Text decoration, none. This is the navigation and menu bar. If you want to the hover color, then you can select this selector, then hover, then background color, black. Now we can see, yeah, our menu, I mean navigation is done. So please thumbs up this video and comments if you have any problem and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.